Are you looking for a housing lot that is easily accessible to Alabang, Makati, and BGC? Well, today, we're here in San Pedro, Laguna to feature this modern design housing lot that is inside a quiet neighborhood. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media where we have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. This property is located inside La Maria, San Pedro, Laguna, easily accessible through the San Pedro southbound exit, through the South Luzon Expressway, and soon through the San Pedro South northbound exit. Now, this property sits in a lot area of 184 square meters with a floor area of 220 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and then with its own toilet and bath, a powder room, a kitchen, a living area, CCTV all throughout the house, and also you have your dirty kitchen at the back and an extra space at the back wherein you can have your landscape garden. So without further ado, simulan na natin yung exterior tour ng property. Let's begin our exterior tour here at our carport. This carport can fit your 2 cars. As you can see, it has an open layout. Wala na po siyang fencing. Ang maganda lang po dito in La Maria, it's a very safe and secure subdivision. So, pwede po tayo hindi mag-gate. At least, you still have your gate dito sa other side, which is the entryway of the pedestrian. But dito rin po sa ating carport, meron din tayong entryway coming from our carport going inside the house. As you can see, meron po tayong pinto dito. And itong ating carport is already tiled or meron rin siyang design. Actually, naka-design po siya na meron na po siyang cement design, and also it also has your rubberized paint here so that hindi mag-slip yung sasakyan natin. Now, again, ito po yung ating access door going inside the house from our carport. And dito rin sa taas is the first CCTV of the property. Ang maganda dito, all of these are functioning already. This is a 4-channel CCTV installed inside the property. And yung ceiling po natin, these are WPC wood panels that gives you that long-term finish kasi you don't need to paint this anymore. You just need to wipe it. Sobrang long-term po niya, sobrang ganda. And you also have your 4 LED lights, and you still have this center area wherein you can place a center light para mas lalo mapaganda or mas lalo mapaliwanag yung ating carport. Now, on this side is our entryway to our service area going or leading to the back part of the property. So as you can see, pagpasok pa lang po natin, meron tayo, this is a tiled area wherein pwede po tayo dito maglaba. Dito tayo maglagay ng ating mga gamit, mga bikes or mga tools or that we use for gardening. We also have a sink here, and also you have your faucet na pwede tayong magluto, pwede tayong prepare ng ating pagkain if you don't like cooking inside the house. Now, here at the back part of the property is actually tricky po, i-explain ko lang na mabuti. So this part na may tiles, this is included in the property. This is part of the 184 square meter lot. Now, ito pong walang tiles, this is actually the easement because this property is beside the brook or brookside po siya. So, meron po siyang easement of around mga 2 to 3 meters before po magpababa na going to the water feature ng property dito sa likod. Ang maganda lang po dito is wala po kayong kapitbahay sa likod, and you have a view of the greeneries at the back. Especially if you go upstairs sa 2nd floor, you would truly appreciate yung view na yan kasi sobrang ganda po niya. Now, as we move a little bit more further from our service area, which is gray yung tiles niya, magiging earth color, medyo parang lava yung color natin, reddish po yung color niya. Now, as you move a little bit further, you have your access door, or you have a sliding glass door access going inside the dining area and to your formal kitchen. So mamaya pa natin itutur yan. Let's continue with the exterior part of the property. It's really nice that you have this extra easement dito sa property. Again, please take note that this side of the property is not included in the title, so this is not allowed to be owned. This is just part of the village. It just so happens na inaalaw po ay ng village na ibakuran siya at least kahit pa paano para you have your security at hindi kayo mapasukan or at least secure kayo sa loob ng bahay. Now, on the other side of the property is still a tiled area or a space wherein you can put tables and chairs, you can extend, you can put a roof here, pwede kayong maglagay ng mas marami pang halaman, you can put lights, kasi as you can see, meron tayong mga provision ng mga lighting dyan na hindi pa nilagyan ng owner so that it will allow the new owner to personalize the property. Now, as we move a little bit further, nandito na tayo sa ating front porch, which is the enclosed part of yung front part ng bahay natin. Kasi kanina, yung ating yung garage or yung ating carport is open. Pero dito sa ating front porch, you can actually put 2 chairs or small table and chairs here. You can actually put also na shoe rack para bago pumasok, doon ilalagay yung gamit. You can actually sit down here. Actually kanina, while I was waiting for my videographer to finish shooting the house, I was sitting down here and ang sarap pakiramdaman ng hangin. Kasi sobrang tahimik, sobrang mahangin dito sa area na to. So, we're done with the exterior tour. Let's go inside to the house. Let's tour the first floor or the ground floor of the property, starting with the door. Sobrang ganda po ng ating pinto. You have your fluted panel design here on the door, and you have this long railing with your wood finish, and also you have your stainless steel dito sa ating finishing sa pinto. Sobrang ganda po niya. And as we enter the property, you just say wow. Wow, because you have a lot of windows wherein the natural light comes in. You also have your double height ceiling that welcomes you as you enter the property. And as we move a little bit forward, dito sa ating property is, dito sa ating left side as you enter would be fluted panels para pwede nyo pong paglagyan ng inyong TV if in case that you would like to put a TV here, or maybe you can put a mirror, you can put a sofa or a table here or a coffee table, pwede rin po yan. Now, as we move a little bit further, right across our living area would be yung formal dining area natin. Pero bago po tayo pumunta dyan, let me just show you yung access door natin going to the garage or going to the carport coming from the inside. So, ito yung kaninang pinto na tinuturo ko na pag galing ka sa carport, pwede mong pasukin para pag hindi ka naiikot, papasok ng bahay. So, this is the access. Now, dito rin po sa ating near the access door going to the garage would be your powder room. So this is the powder room of the property. Ang maganda dito, this is just right. This is a good size. Just a good way to use the bottom of the stairs para lang ma-maximize siya. So you have your sink, you also have your toilet. And doon sa pinakaloob, meron siyang small storage so that you can keep some of your bathroom supplies. So, balik tayo sa ating formal kitchen. The formal kitchen is just a good size. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just the right size. So, kung may plano pa kayong idagdag dito, for example, for those people who are looking for maybe a nook here, pwede pa. You can still put something here. Now, you have here, you already have your cooktop included, you have your sink, your double sink here, you have your cabinets, you have a lot of cabinets, it's all modular cabinets. We also have your place for your refrigerator, and this is quartz countertop. And what's nice about this, yung ilalim po niya is solid cement po siya, so matibay po to. Hindi siya basta modular lang na kinabit dito sa ating countertop. Now, right beside the dining or the formal kitchen would be your dining area, which is an access going to your back side of the property or yung pwede nyo pong gawing garden. Now, what's nice about this is ang sliding glass door natin is slightly or unusually bigger as the regular sliding door na available in the market, and it's very, very nice to look at, especially if you have a beautiful view of the greenery at the back. Now, right here, beside the kitchen, itong dining area natin. Ang dining area pala natin can fit your 8-seater or your 6-seater dining table. And as you can see, you still have your WPC panels here na naka-cove po siya. You have your center light, napakagandang tignan po. And then right across would be your den. Now, the den can be an office or can be your entertainment area. So if you would like to leave your living room as a way to entertain your guests, this can be your private space to watch Netflix, to watch movies, or this can be your private space to do some work. Can be a study area, can be an office. And maganda dito, you have your own toilet and shower. You have your sink, you have your toilet, and also your shower area. By the way, ang pinto po ng ating nito would be sliding. So, hindi lang siya naka-install right now. So, we're done here on the ground floor. Let's explore the last part of the property, which is the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 4 bedrooms and you also have 3 toilet and bath here on the second floor. Sobrang ganda po dito sa second floor. Ang continuation po yan. Yung flooring natin, kung sa baba, yung flooring natin would be tiles. Here on the second floor would be SPC wood floorings, or parang siyang hindi siya talaga wood, pero it's a higher grade compared to vinyl, and hindi po siya ganun kalamig, especially kapag nakayapak po tayo. Now, for our stairs, yung contents po niya, ang maganda po dito, you have your chandelier already, you have your big windows that allows natural light to come in, and for the flooring, you have your cement underneath, and you have your wood flooring, and then yung railings po natin, you have your stainless steel railings with wood finish, and also you have your fiberglass. Now, before we go through the bedrooms, let's just admire yung double height ceiling dito sa second floor. You have your view downstairs. You can look down whenever you have guests, or you just peep down pag may bisita ka, or titignan mo sa labas kung may bisita ka. And you also have your chandelier na napakaganda po. This is the centerpiece of the property. It's very beautiful. And you see this space here, you can actually still put a photo or a painting here so that you can highlight it for the property. So let's go to the first bedroom here on the second floor. This is actually the second biggest room in the house. This is one of the 2 rooms in the property that has its own toilet and bath. Now, this room can be a bedroom, so you can place a king size or a queen size bed. 2 double beds, kasyang-kasya po siya. And what's nice about this room is, this is the only room that has its own balcony. It has a good-sized balcony na pwedeng-pwede po tayo maglagay ng table and chairs so that you can sit down and relax. Now, this can also act as your study room. It can also be your man cave. Depende po sa inyo how big the family is. Now, what's nice about this property, all of the rooms here have their own cabinets. So for this one, you have 2 full-size cabinets already included in this room. And you also have your center light, your LED lights all over, and meron po tayong sariling toilet and bath. For the toilet and bath, again, the same as the one on the ground floor. You have your sink, you have your toilet, and also your shower. And you have your tiles all the way up. Now, we're done here. Let's go to the next bedroom. So for the next 2 rooms, it's very identical. Yung second room natin, ang kasya po dito na bed would be your semi-double bed or your single bed or your double deck. But ang maganda po dyan, you have your 2 full-size cabinets already. Mga kasya-kasya po, napakaraming damit. Now, you can just have a double bed, a single bed. If you have 1 child and gusto nyo lagyan ng study table, pwede po yung single bed natin dito. And ang maganda po dyan, since this is a single detached property, you have a big window here on its own. So right beside it is an identical room na pwede rin pong lagyan ng ating single bed. But before that, this is the common toilet to be shared by the 2 rooms here on the second floor, because the first room has its own toilet and bath. Slightly smaller as the first toilet here on the second floor, but you still have the essentials, your toilet, you have your sink, and also your shower. Now, here is the third bedroom of the second floor. You have your full-size cabinet, good for 2 people. You can have maybe your single bed and double deck if you have 2 people here. What's nice about this room, this is located in the corner, you have 2 windows. So you have more lighting coming inside the property, inside the room. And ang maganda po dyan, it's bigger than the regular size window po. Now, lastly, this is the master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, you'll really like this because You have a big space. You can place your king size, your queen size bed. You have 2 big windows and you have ample lighting. You have pin lights, a combination of your warm color and your cool color. And you also have your WPC tiles hanging over there in the center light. You have your fluted panels wherein you can place your TV, your 65-inch TV, 50-inch TV. And nandito rin po yung ating CCTV monitor that is 4 channels. Hindi ko na pala naturo all throughout the house, pero it is all pointed sa 4 corners ng bahay natin. Now, what's nice about this master's bedroom is you have your walk-in closet. So, you can actually place a curtain here. You can add cabinets here. This is also cabinets for your walk-in closet. You can still add some personalization here kasi hindi siya sobrang dinagdagan ng may-ari ng property so that it will leave the new owner some chance to personalize the property. This has the biggest toilet and bath or toilet and shower inside the house. You have, again, the necessities, but it's slightly bigger as compared to all of the toilet and bath that you've seen so far. You have your sink with the counter. You also have toilet, you also have your shower. As you can see, yung shower natin iba din kumpara dun sa dalawang toilet, and iba rin po yung sink natin as compared to the two or the 3 other toilet. Now, by the way, I forgot to mention what's nice about also this master bedroom is the view of the greeneries. Ang maganda dito is when you wake up, you have a view of the greeneries. Wala po kayong kapitbahay sa likod. Sobrang ganda po niya. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see the property in the actual, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandiyan po ang aming Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. You can also go on our social media accounts. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you're still looking for a property and you just like to look around and know our latest listings or the properties that we sell, we have our Viber and WhatsApp community. The link is on the description box and nandyan po yan sa comment section natin. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!